In the village of Stonehaven, nestled high in the craggy mountains, the grown-ups always told the children, "Never climb to the peaks. The shadow griffins live there." But a boy named Finn wasn't scared. He was curious. He would watch the shadows of giant wings glide across the valley and wonder what the griffins were really like. One sunny morning, Finn decided to find out. He packed a small bag with a crust of bread and an apple and began to climb the winding path into the mountains. High up, where the wind whistled, he heard a soft cry. Tucked between two giant boulders, he found a young griffin with its wing caught in some thorny vines. Finn's heart beat fast, but the griffin looked more scared than scary. Slowly, carefully, he reached out and began to untangle the thorns. When the wing was free, the griffin nudged Finn's hand with its feathery head. It didn't fly away. Finn smiled and shared his apple. He named his new friend Zephyr. Finn visited Zephyr every day. They played hide-and-seek among the rocks and shared stories. Zephyr would listen with his head tilted, and Finn would laugh at his soft chirps. One afternoon, Zephyr knelt down and nudged Finn towards his back. He wanted to show Finn his world. Finn climbed on, his heart thumping with excitement. With a mighty flap of his wings, they soared into the sky. The village looked like a tiny toy set below. Finn wasn't scared at all. He was flying. When they landed at the edge of the village, the grown-ups gasped. But they saw Finn slide off Zephyr's back with a happy wave. They saw not a monster, but a friend. And Stonehaven was never afraid of the griffins again.